everyone, I am Abelia from 10 Science 2. Now I'll explain you about paired conjunctions such as not only but also and both and. For the first one, we will talk about not only but also. It's used to talk about two phrases, two verbs, or maybe two similar things in the same position. It can be two positive things or maybe two negative things. I'll give you two examples about it. In the first example, we will talk about two positive things, and the second one, we will talk about two negative things. Each example has two sentences. Okay, let's continue to the first example. The first sentence is, Sophia is famous, and the second one is, Sophia is talented. So, we can combine them to be, Sophia is not only famous but also talented. Then, let's continue to the next example. The first sentence is, I'm not learning at the classroom because it's hard to find a good teacher. Then the second one is, I'm not learning at the classroom because it's hard to find a good time. We can combine them to be, I'm not learning at the classroom because it's not only hard to find a good teacher, but also it's hard to find a good time. Okay, now let's talk about both and. It's used to talk about two phrases, two verbs, two nouns, two actions, two places within the same context. I'll also give you two examples about it. Each example has two sentences. Okay, now let's continue to the first example. The first sentence is, my mother is at home, and the second one is, my sister is at home. We can combine them to be, but my mother and my sister are at home. For the first, my mother is at home and my sister is at home are singular, but after we combine them, they are being plural. Okay, let's continue to the second example. The first sentence is, Rina is cooking. And the second one is, Rara is cooking. We can combine them to be, both Rina and Rara are cooking. Thank you for your attention.